Hi, everybody. I'm here, I'm back, and I have a new book to share with everybody. For the next few days, we're going to be doing books that have to do with bears. And I have a specific author whose books I'm going to be reading. In my class, The Curious Caterpillars, we have focused on learning about some authors. We learned about Bill Martin Jr., we learned about Eric Carle, we read some books about Dr. Seuss. And so today I'm going to introduce a new author. And the author is the person that writes the words in the book. They're in charge of writing all the words, of telling you the great stories that you hear. And our author that we're going to be learning about is called Karma Wilson. Karma Wilson. That's our author. And the illustrator in this story, illustrator is Jane Chapman. And the illustrator is the person that is in charge of making all the pictures. All the beautiful drawings or pictures that you see in a book is put there by the illustrator. So the title of our book today is Bear Snores On. The title means the name of the book is Bear Snores On. Bear snores on. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat-tit-toe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. So Bear is sleeping in his cave, and in comes a mouse, and in comes a hare. A hare is a kind of rabbit. So why are they in his cave? Why aren't they out? Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Scuttles, he walks by, he comes in quickly. Sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel through the floor. Then a wren and a raven fluttering in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." "What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in a great bear's den. Bear sure has a lot of animals in his den. Can you remember how many there were? I remember the first one to come in was, who was first? Oh, it was the mouse. The mouse came in first, and then we had the hare. And what other animals came into his den, and why are they all in there? They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a sleeping bear, sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Lair is another word for home. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Oh no, they're making stew. And in the stew, they're putting all of their seasoning. And the last thing they put is a little bit of pepper. And the pepper falls onto Bear's nose. What do you think it's going to make Bear do? He blows and he sneezes. Achoo! And the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. And look at them all run. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuzz. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Was Bear mad at them? I don't think he was. I think he was sad. They were all in his home and having fun. And he wasn't having any fun. He was sleeping. He wanted to be a part of everything they were doing. See? Look at how happy he is now with his friends. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.